Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the greater Portmore Plaza in Portmore, Jamaica. And this is a very popular plaza. It's not one of the top plazas because it doesn't follow the formula. But it has the Shoppers Fair supermarket, which is the brand name supermarket, and it's built in a populated area. But they don't have the food stores. There's no Burger King, KFC, that kind of food store to bring in the big crowds. So it's just like an average plaza. But because Portmore is such a populated place, it does okay. But it's not one of the top plazas in Jamaica. Alright, so this is the Shoppers Fair supermarket, and this is the Greater Portmore Plaza. That's the entrance to the Shoppers Fair. Maybe I'm going crazy, but I'm almost sure that I thought that car touched the other one, but I guess not. Okay, there's a Woolworth inside here. But as you see, there's no fast food chain like a Burger King or a Juicy Patties or nothing like that inside here. And there's so much space, they could easily expand the plaza and put on more stores. Now we're going to take a look at the top part of the plaza now. And Greater Portmore has a very large population. Alright, so there's an ice cream store straight ahead, Scoops, but no fast food restaurant. So that's all that this plaza is missing to be one of the top plazas and have a bigger, more people using the plaza. Because you remember the formula for a successful plaza, if you've been watching this channel, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, and Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. You need to build a plaza in a populated area, and it doesn't get any more populated than Portmore. But the third thing, you also need food stores, fast food stores or restaurants, some sort of food store to draw in the crowd. And once you have those three things, your plaza will do well. You don't have those three things, it's just an average plaza. Now as we have stated before, the only exception to that formula is the plazas in Halfway Tree, and some of those don't have supermarkets, but they have the other two. And because Halfway Tree is such a populated area, it's the only exception to the rule. But Portmore has so many plazas, like Portmore Mall, which has everything. It has the same Shoppers Fair supermarket, but it has so many food stores. It has a KFC, a Mother's. It actually has a food court inside it. You have Sovereign Sovereign Portmore, and that one is a perfect example. They have a supermarket there, Progressive Foods. They have a food court with Island Grill, Popeyes, you name it. So many food stores in there, and it's built in a populated area. Now, right beside Sovereign Portmore is another mall called Sunshine Mall. You can literally drive from the Sovereign Plaza into the Sunshine Plaza. And the Sunshine Plaza does not have a supermarket. It doesn't have the food stores. And as a result, you have Sovereign Plaza doing so much better than the Sunshine Plaza. So much better just because, and they're built in the exact same location. But one, the Sovereign Plaza has the supermarket and the food stores. So it does so much better. Just guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know if you have anything to add to the video. We can use it in future videos, or if you have any comments about the current video. Alright guys, have a good day.